How to install Vengo adjustable French return curtain rod with C-rings. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set of the rod, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. First, extend the rod freely to adjust it to the desired length. Next, use a hex key to loosen the screws and remove the mounting plates from both end brackets. Use a drill to loosen the screws on the brackets and take off the cover plates. Repeat the same steps to remove the mounting plate and cover plate of the center bracket. Insert the center bracket screw upward into the hole in the center section of the rod to secure it in place. Using the rod as a guide, mark the wall directly below both ends of the rod and below the center bracket. Place the mounting plate slightly above the marked points, then mark the corresponding drilling positions. Make the holes at the marked positions with a drill. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the bracket mounting bases in place, making sure the mounting plates are oriented correctly. Repeat the steps above to install the mounting plates for both the end and center brackets. Firstly, reattach the cover plates onto the center bracket and both ends of the rod. Next, snap the center bracket onto its mounting plate and tighten the screw with a hex key. Place the rod into the groove of the center bracket, ensuring the bracket screw fits into the rod hole. Snap both rod ends onto the mounting plates and tighten them securely with a hex key. Finally, slide the curtain rings into the rod based on the number of curtain hooks. That's it! Your Vengo French return curtain rod is all set. Time to hang your curtains and enjoy the view!